Alright, you guys, so I'm going to tell you exactly how many credit cards I have, but I'm not going to tell you that until a little bit later on in this video. So with that being said, I think something that we do need to get out of the way right now is that in order to put this video in context, credit cards are not for everybody. Like, I think, like I said, we need to just go ahead and get that out of the way so there's no confusion whatsoever, because I don't want somebody to watch this video and be like, oh, Keith said, I should have X amount of credit cards. Like, no, because the truth is, what we need to just get off, put it out on the table now is credit cards are not for everyone. Credit cards are for someone who knows how to use credit cards and credit responsibly. They understand, like, hey, I don't want to get myself into debt. I don't want to go out there and just pretend like I could just, blow this money, swipe these cards, buying whatever I want, and then just kind of ignore it, rack up a bunch of credit card debt, and then now just say, okay, either they're not going to pay it at all and destroy their credit, or, just as bad, say, okay, well, now I'll go ahead and start working on paying this off over time and just continue to make minimum payments, and then just get destroyed in, credit card interest. So like I said, I just want to put this into context. This video is not trying to tell you everybody run out and go get this amount of credit cards, but what I am trying to tell you is, hey, if you know how to use credit cards responsibly, then hey, you might want to just continue watching this video. But if you do not know how to use credit cards, and you are not gonna, and you have no plan on paying them off each and every single month, then I suggest at this point in the video, this video is not going to be for you. The information is not going to be relevant, and that at this time is when you should leave the video. But if you do know how to use credit cards responsibly, and you are going to pay them off each and every single month, so then that way you can avoid paying interest, then carry on, continue on. And while you're at it, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, look right down below on the bottom right side of your screen and smash that red subscribe button for me, so then that way we can just continue to grow this channel. Alright, you guys, so the answer to how many credit cards exactly that you should have comes down to it depends. Now, why do I say that it depends? What depends? It depends on what? What do I mean when I say that? So when I say it depends, I mean it depends on your relationship with credit cards, your ability to use them. So like we just mentioned, if you don't know how to use them, you don't know how to be responsible with them, obviously your number of credit cards would be 0. So that would be the very first phase. So then the next phase of, how many credit cards you should have would be for the individual who just wants to, maybe start building their credit, with credit cards. You might have a secured credit card or two, and those are just beginner credit cards to help you start working on building up your credit score. And then, so you got 1 or 2 of those, and then you might, after a little bit of time, and as you start to build up your credit score, you might upgrade to another credit card or 2. So the next phase would be somewhere, between that 1 to 4 credit cards. This is not you're not going crazy here. You just establish some credit, upgrade it to some, nicer cards that are probably going to give you the benefits of whatever it is that you like about those upgraded cards. Maybe there's some cashback cards, or some type of rewards card, or maybe they're a particular type of store card somewhere that you shop at frequently. So that's why you have those cards, and you're able to use those, get those benefits, all while at the same time continually maintaining your credit and building your credit as you just continue to make your on-time payments. So that would be the next step after somebody having 0 cards, would be somewhere between 1 to 4 credit cards. Alright, so the next phase of how many credit cards exactly that you should have would be for the person who's I just completely want to take advantage and utilize credit cards as much as I possibly can, right? So this person is going to have somewhere between, I would say, roughly 4 to 5 credit cards or more. 4 or 5 credit cards plus, because they're going to, like I just said, they're going to want to get the absolute most out of credit cards. That means they're going to want to have the best cashback credit cards. They're going to want to have the best airline miles credit cards. They're going to want to have the best credit card for, rewards at grocery stores. They're going to want to have the best, credit card when it comes to getting fuel rewards. Maybe they're getting a lesser amount that they're going to pay per gallon. All these different types of rewards, they're going to want the very best the very best credit cards for every one of those situations, which in return means they're going to have a lot of type of credit cards. They might say, hey, I want the credit card that's going to give me the best perks when I go to airlines. Another one might be hey, this is the best credit card for when I go, book a car rental. Like, all different forms of credit cards are out there for whatever it is your thing that you need a credit card for and you want to get perks in that particular area. There's a credit card for that. So like I said, the person who is like going to just want to completely like leverage credit cards to the most and make the most of credit cards, they're going to have somewhere between roughly 4 to 5 credit cards or more. And then because they like want to make the most of credit cards and they want to get everything that they can possibly get out of them, and like I said, just leverage them as much as they possibly can, you know, they're always going to be adding on new credit cards whenever they see a really good, you know, addition that they should say, hey, like, here's another chance for me to like capitalize on credit cards. Like, maybe there's a new card that comes out, they have a really great sign up bonus, you know, they're going to say, hey, that's a, you know, that's a pretty decent card, has a real nice sign up bonus. Boom, they're going to sign up for that card, they're going to receive that, you know, nice cash sign up bonus or whatever comes with that sign up bonus, and then they're going to, you know, keep that card, and now they have one more card. And then every time they see a really nice card that they would like to just capitalize on the benefits of getting that card, they're going to add that to their portfolio of credit cards. Alright, you guys, so in the beginning of this video, I told you guys that I would share with you guys exactly how many credit cards I have. So at the time of making this video right now, I currently have 11 credit cards. And I would really like to get your guys' opinion on me having those 11 credit cards. Do you guys think, you know, that's a lot of credit cards? Is it a little bit? You know, should I get more? Should I have less? Let me know your comments about me having those 11 credit cards down in the comment section below. And hey, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, look right here on the bottom right side of your screen, tap that red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And then if you guys enjoyed this video, click this video here right here that pops up on the screen, and I will catch you guys in that next video.